Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're a subscriber, then welcome back. But you know what we're here for? I finally got my hands on the Air Jordan 3 Fragment Collab. And I know there's not a lot of hype around this pair, but ever since I saw them, man, they're so clean, so minimal. I needed to get one just to rock. You know the box. Shout out to my friends Varuna, Manoj and Sahil for the logistical help and also the shopping. Not gonna waste any more time, just gonna pop the lid open, and there you have it, a proper lift-off box, and there's the paper, the Fragment and the Jumpman logo. Wee! Look at that! Let me actually get the pair out of the box so we can take a closer look. There you have it, the Air Jordan 3, the Fragment Collab. Man, you know what this pair reminds me of? The Concord 11s. And I didn't pick up the Concord 11s because I wasn't that much of a fan because of the entire white pattern thing going on. But on these, man, it just looks so different. You know the details. I have a black cement tree right here. Quite beaten up, like you can tell. So these are essentially the same shoe, but there are differences that you can see. To start off with, the toe box, man, on the Fragment, they've reshaped it. I think it looks a lot more nicer, sleeker and sharper as against the BC3 that's kind of chunky and bulkier, right? Nike Air branding on the back replaced with that lightning bolt by Fragment. The back tab is kind of translucent. You can see the Jumpman logo down there along with the, what's it called? An embossing? Yeah, it's embossed on, and you have the Fragment bolt in there, painted on within the layers. What else? The Fragment 3s are devoid of this elephant print. Instead, you have this nice, smooth black leather. Nothing really big on the quality of the leather. It's almost the same as the Katrina 3s or whatever. Your outsole, pretty much the same except for the color blocking. Here's a top-down view as well. You can see how much sharper it is. And then the tongue. Like you can see on the BC3, you can see the foam from the back popping out on the front a little bit. But on this pair, the tongue's all leather and it covers up completely. Every other detailing is pretty much the same. There are minor differences, like this grey perforated area on the BC3 is a lot smaller than on the Fragment pair. And of course, how can I forget the stamp, like you can see right there. And then you have, of course, the SKU number done on the midsole, a nice blue insole to match with the box, and it's got the Jumpman and the Fragment stamped right there in navy. And of course, you have the Fragment branding done on the tongue, which incidentally doesn't exist on the BC3. It's something similar to what you'd see on a 4, where you have the Air Jordan done upside down. That's about it. I tried this on the one time and it's already gotten dirty, and that's going to be a struggle with any white pair, I guess, in India. Without much further ado, let me just slip these on feet to show you what they look like. Alright guys, so that's about it about the Fragment 3s. No smell really. Man, I really love the pair despite its QC issues. I mean, there's tons of them, but the pair is really nice and clean. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, man. I have content coming out every now and then. And if you like sneakers, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.